Welcome to Agilent SLIMS version 7.2, the holistic solution for managing your lab end-to-end. This video shows the beginning and end of a whole workflow using a SLIMS setup for PFAS testing. Your lab's partners, like their stakeholders and field samplers, interact with the requester portal to generate orders and easily submit samples for testing. The lab's partner logs into the requester portal with the URL separate from SLIMS. Their access is separate from SLIMS by default. The dashboard is focused and task-driven, so the user only sees the orders they have access to. These are what they've created, and these are existing orders their team has created. You can design any help topics as FAQ tabs at the top to anticipate questions they might have, like how to use the portal or which site address to send a box of samples to. Orders can be seen in a tabular view, instead of as a grid of tiles. The user fills out any data pertinent to the order, like customer identification fields, and most importantly, the order type. Then they add the samples. You can give them the option to upload samples from a sheet, or just enter the details through the UI like this. You can adapt whether your partner uses pre-labeled barcodes, or whether SLIMS generates the barcodes for them to use. Each sample type can have different selections, so you can make the fields, requests, and products available depending on the samples. The requests and products indicate the analyses that your lab's partners want to be performed on the samples. They can edit the order and add or remove samples for now, until the order status changes. They can get a shipping manifest to include with the shipment that includes the details they entered in the portal, like the order and sample barcodes, which makes acceptance easy for the recipient. The order is created in SLIMS with the samples, where it can be scheduled to a workflow to be processed. Here's the order in SLIMS with the samples linked and the requests ready. The lab manager or receiver can just scan the barcode on the manifest to find the order and verify that all the samples are there. Once the order is updated from pending, it becomes locked, so partners can't update it in the portal, but the lab can then schedule and process it. SLIMS can generate electronic data deliverables that can be easily attached to the order alongside final reports. For example, machine-readable CSV and XML result files, in addition to the certificate of analysis seen here. Once the lab manager is happy with the results, has attached all the final reports and selected the certificate of analysis, the lab partner can access them in the requester portal. The partner can see the order status as it progresses and tell when it's validated. If they click on the order, they can download the certificate with our example results inside. Thanks for your time and attention. A second video is coming soon that demonstrates the lab's journey, receiving the order and performing PFAS analysis with integration to Agilent Mass Hunter. For more information about SLIMS version 7.2, please visit agilent.com.